The PHASER project aims to achieve a constructed system for humanitarian aid with recycled plastic 3D printing. An initial research in humanitarian architecture allowed us to focus on the real needs of these situations. More than 27 versions of 3D printable models were studied in order to settle a transportable, easy-mountable, cheap and light model. But we needed data, so we carried out a research during almost a year at the National Chemistry Reference Center so as to study our limits. The next step was recycling the plastic that will shape the building, because we need that our buildings were part of the environmental solution. As an example, it was decided to design a school in the PHASER refugee camp in Bria. A fully self-sufficient building which did not generate waste and made with recycled 3D printing plastic. A space for children, a social engine for people who really need it. But it had never been done. We had to test it. So, a full-scale prototype was built in order to check that the system worked, that the calculations were correct, and the simulation were right. We needed to verify that the project was real. Because architecture is about that, about serving others, creating emotional spaces which improve everyone's life, about designing solutions to solve other problems, and never stop looking for new scenarios to deal with, fighting the problems we have accepted together with architecture. Humanitarian emergencies, inequality, or the environmental crisis are problems which belong to all of us. As architects, we can solve this problem by joining force in order to make architecture a response for all people.